Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make viral TikTok videos in 2025. So if your videos are not getting the views or the engagement, don't worry, I will explain some of the tips and the strategies that will help you create the content that TikTok's algorithm actually pushes to millions. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the first step would be of the hook. So the first 2 seconds of the video are going to decide if the people are going to keep watching your video or not. So the hook is really very important. So you need to start your video with the moment, emotion, or a question, something that grabs the attention fast. Now you can also use the trending sounds and niches. Here in TikTok, you will find the option of music. So you can click on the option of music and take a look at what are some of the trending songs and niches that you can use or implement in your own niche as well. In the third step, you need to keep your video short. Now, the sweet spot would be 18 to 15 seconds. So you can use quick cuts, zooms, and captions to maintain the strategy. Viewers love videos that loop smoothly, so you can try ending your clip the same way it started to trigger the replays automatically. Now you can also add the on-screen text and the captions because most of the users that scroll with the sound off, so always add the text overlays explaining what is happening in your video. You can also highlight the key phrases with emojis or the bold text. So this is going to boost the watch time and help your video reach people even without sound. Now make sure that you post your videos consistently on your account. Always make sure that you are posting 1 to 2 videos every single day. You are replying to the comments within the first hour, and TikTok's algorithm is going to boost the post with quick engagement. Also, you can use 3 to 5 targeted hashtags on your video. Now, if you ever run out of the content, I would highly recommend you to use ChatGPT for content creation. You can give it the prompt that can look something like this, and then you can hit enter. So, with the help of this trick, you are going to get endless creative prompts ready to record. So, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.